Hi, I'm Stephen Lamarca with IMTS TV. You're at IMTS 2016. I'm standing here with Zach Booth of Jorgensen. Zach, can you tell us what Jorgensen's all about?
You bet. We are a machine tool conveyor company, primarily serving those looking for conveying or filtration solutions for the machine tool industry.
Are you debuting anything new, any new products for this year's IMTS?
We have a few exciting products that we've had out in the market for a few years now that we are displaying here. One of them that's right immediately behind me is our Eco Filter, which is more of a dual stage filtration process where you can, many of our larger scrap and metal is conveyed out through the metal hinge steel belt, but then much of the smaller fines fall in through basically a filter. One of the larger machines, which is behind me, painted red, white, and blue, is what's called our Munchman conveyor. There's a dual belt system designed to carry out much of the large stringers, bird nests, tumbleweeds that we call them, that can generally just tumble back and get jammed in the machine. These dual belts will crush it in effect and carry it out to where you need it to go. So those are two of the big ones that we're excited about.
Okay, so dual belt as opposed to a single belt. I guess
Correct.
It's just for larger chips?
Right, so what will happen is our standard conveyor, any of the material or chips that would fall on it would generally just go through an incline and up and out. When some of these long stringers combine and come together to make these tumbleweeds, what would happen is they'll just tumble back and fall back into the load section, thereby jamming the conveyor. So we have two belts running simultaneously, one running in opposite direction, so that it could pinch and crush that material and carry it up safely through the incline.
And around the corner and upstairs, I've seen a few companies with chip conveyors that were magnetic. Do you do anything like that?
We do. In fact, on the far end of our booth today, we have what's called our Meg Drag conveyor. So it's a combination of a magnetic underneath the load section, where metal flights would then come and scrape whatever's stuck to the bottom and carry it up and out of the conveyor.
And the filtration process, once it's conveyed, once the chip conveyor gets the chips away from the machine, the filtration system separates the chips from the rest of the swarf?
That's correct. Yeah, so when I mentioned our Eco Filter product that we have here, all the larger chips are conveyed just like they would in any other process with a conveyor. A lot of those fines that you described go through a wedged wire filter cell that can then manually be taken out, emptied out, cleaned out, and then you're back in business shortly thereafter.
Sounds good. And where can our viewers find out more information about your company?
Look at www.jorgensenconveyors.com. Give us a call.
Thanks a lot, Zach. Again, I'm Stephen Lamarca with IMTS TV. Thanks for watching.